course I had to make this song about you right here. Yeah.
Hi guys, so it's Monday and I just got done filming this makeup look for you guys. This is the makeup that I had in our shoestring magazine shoot. A lot of you guys were requesting that look when I posted a pic on Snapchat, so I filmed it for you guys. It's perfect for spring, but this is gonna go up on Wednesday, of course, because we usually upload on Wednesdays, but we're gonna put up 2 videos this week because we didn't put up any beauty videos last week. We only put up a vlog last week. Today on Monday, the February favorites is going up, and Kendra edited that last night, so that's gonna go up today because we would have uploaded on Wednesday and Friday, but Friday we're gonna be on our way to Birmingham. We're gonna be in Birmingham. Yeah, on Friday we're gonna be in Birmingham for the Natural Hair Expo. So that'll all be included in this vlog. So yeah. Monday, February favorites, and then Wednesday this makeup look is gonna go up. But before we go, I have to pre-film my hair routine, my straight hair routine for you guys, because my hair is pretty dirty and I'm gonna wash it on tomorrow. I would wait to film it, but I don't straighten my hair for like 3 weeks. So I don't want to have to wait a whole nother 3 weeks to film that for you guys. Yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and film it for you guys, and then that'll probably be up the following week. So that'll probably be up next week. Yeah, probably next week. So yeah, because Kendra already filmed hers, of course, a week ago. You guys haven't seen Kendra's hair routine. It's already up on our beauty channel. It went up a little over a week ago. I'm gonna edit this when I come back from getting my nails done, but right now I'm just gonna make me a quick smoothie. I'm gonna keep them short. But right now I'm just gonna make me a quick smoothie before my nail appointment. It's kind of dark in here because it's gloomy outside, and you guys know the lighting in our kitchen sucks. So even if I turn this light on, it's still gonna be dark in here. See, look. I guess it helps a little, whatever. But in today's smoothie, I'm just gonna do a berry smoothie. But I just wanted to show you like 2 extra things that I've been putting in my smoothies. This is organic bee pollen. Kendra likes to order this off Amazon. And it's really good for you. There are a lot of health benefits to bee pollen. It looks like little seeds. Well, this one is almost gone. It looks like little seeds, but it pretty much just like gives your smoothie like a sweeter taste. It smells and tastes just like honey. So yeah, there's a ton of health benefits to bee pollen. I'm also gonna add this Vital Proteins Collagen Beauty Greens. I've been putting this in my smoothies. I also have the Melon Mint one. This is coconut vanilla, but I like this one because it has like extra greens in it. Collagen is also really good for you. It's good for your skin, your hair, your nails. Collagen has a ton of benefits. So yeah, it's gluten-free. So I get this at Target in the same aisle as like the organic skincare, like where Burt's Bees and stuff is. I get this on that aisle at Target. So yeah, I'm just gonna put 1 scoop of that. Some baby spinach, even though this already has greens in it, I just want to put some extra spinach in there. And I'm just going to do frozen strawberries and frozen blueberries today. And I'm just going to add some of my So Delicious dairy-free coconut yogurt and vanilla. This is my favorite yogurt, so yeah. And of course some almond milk. This is just Almond Breeze. They all pretty much taste the same to me. Almond Breeze, Silk, taste the same. I will use my coconut milk, my vanilla coconut milk, but we ran out. Okay guys, so I just left getting, well, I'm about to leave from getting my nails done. I didn't get them filed down or anything because they're still pretty short. Well, short for me anyway. But I just got like a vanilla nude color. I think it's called French Vanilla. If you guys get your nails done by Marlon, it's called French Vanilla. So yeah, I just kept the same shape, like a square shape. And I just told him to do the gel thinner. So I still got like the acrylic gel or whatever it's called, but I just got it thinner and it looks good because he was telling me that the SNS powder would kind of look similar to this, and they don't do shellac anymore either, so couldn't do that. But I like how they turned out anyway, so it worked out. Hey guys, it's Kendra. So I'm on my way to a nail appointment. I would have got my nails done on Monday when Kelsey got hers done, but Wednesday was better for Selena for today. I think I'm gonna get them the same. Everybody's been asking me about this color on my nails every time I post them, like on Snapchat, and they ask me what color it is every time, and I think I said it in like the last vlog or the vlog before that. It's actually a powder, not a nail polish color. So she uses like an actual powder, like when she does my fill-in, and that's the color that you see, and she just puts a clear nail polish on top, like a clear gel coat. Just ask for like powder that they have at your nail place and ask them to use that as like your actual color you want, or you can just show a picture, because I actually picked a color that was similar to the powder color, and she recommended me to get the powder because it shows up better. Because sometimes if you pick that color in a nail polish, it's too sheer. You know, when you get pink and white, if you guys have gotten ombre nails before, the powders that they use to create that look, ask for the white powder. So I hope that like explained it easier for those of you who were asking about my nails. And I've been getting like one design lately. Like I have like one design on my middle finger, or I'll get two, because I get my nails like so simple, just to make them feel a little bit different. I'll get something sometimes lately, but not all the time, because I get bored really quick. I'm not one of those people who can do like a color and designs on top of that. Like I'm not into the busy nails. I feel like it would clash with some of the stuff that I wear. Like even though I wear neutral stuff, I still feel like it would clash with some of the things that I wear, because I would get sick of it. That's why I don't get a lot of designs and colors and stuff, because I get bored really quick. And the simple colors, I don't get sick of it because it goes with everything that I wear. These are my nails. Hopefully the lighting looks okay. I got these little gold designs on them, but I got the same powder that I've been getting. I'm a really bad hand model, guys, so sorry. But yeah, this is what they look like. I like them a lot. So we got this living proof packaging today, and I was not even expecting them to send us a package. This is our first package from them ever. And they had the little note here because they said they saw my hair routine where I talked about this perfecting spray, and they sent us all these goodies, which is so cool. So we have the Restore shampoo and conditioner, which I have, so I'll give these to Kelsey, and 2 perfecting sprays. Might end up giving one away. And we have the No Frizz shampoo and conditioner, which I really like this conditioner on my curly hair, especially as a co-wash. And this is their new product. This is their Restore Smooth Blowout Concentrate, and it's like a oil. Kelsey tried this one out, like she pumped some on her hand, and it's like a serum. So that's really nice. And they all smell like the original Living Proof smell, like a clean salon smell, which I like. And they sent this No Frizz Nourishing Styling Cream, which I really want to try on my curls. So I can't wait to try this. So yeah, this is their new product. Wow Worthy Blowout, way less time. So it's supposed to cut down the drying time, which is pretty cool. So yeah. Hey guys, it's Kendra. So it is Saturday the 10th, and it's the day of the Natural Hair Expo in Birmingham. And Kelsey and I just got done getting ready. We're waiting for our mom. I thought we were gonna be late, but we're ready just in time, like literally just in time. It might be a little bit of traffic, but probably not much. I'm sure it won't be as bad as Atlanta traffic, so. But yeah, we're excited to see you guys. I mean, you'll already be seeing us after this vlog goes up. But anyway, I'm kind of nervous because we have to do like some other stuff like on stage. I always get nervous anytime there's a stage involved in anything. But yeah, it's gonna be an all-day event. Kelsey and I are gonna be there from probably 11 a.m. to probably 5 this evening. So we're gonna be there all day, so yeah. I'm not that hungry, but I don't really eat breakfast like that, like on days like this. I don't know, I'm just never hungry like at the beginning of the day like that. So yeah, my mom's probably gonna make us eat something like she always does, but we'll see. YouTube videos.
Okay.
Pretty much.
I like that. How are you maintaining all of this straightness and all of this humidity and lights and all of that good stuff? How?
A good flat iron.
Oh,
good
tip
flat
number
iron.
1, a good flat iron.
And a good shine spray. Hello hydration. The Hello hydration is really good on curls, and it's super inexpensive. You can get like a really big bottle, last you a super long time. Get your bigger paycheck, that's when you can start, you know, experimenting with the more expensive natural hair brands. And they also have sample sizes as well. Like more expensive brands have sample sizes, so you can see if you want to invest in the bigger size.
Right.
So buy sample sizes first.
That's a good idea. That's a great point.
Information about our hair stories. We have like some personal experiences that we went through with our hair and the struggles that we went through with transitioning and being natural and all that. And we also have some tips on what helped our hair grow faster and what was best to keep it healthy, because a lot of people who want to grow their hair out don't realize to keep it up, you have to know what to do to maintain it.
Absolutely.
So the book is all about that.
So let's just talk a little bit about you ladies being entrepreneurs. Did you see this for yourself?
Eventually, because I've always been into hair, makeup, fashion. But you know, when we started, YouTube wasn't as popular as it is now. I feel like now it's so oversaturated and you have to reinvent yourself constantly. But I did see myself wanting to be an entrepreneur, but I didn't think that would be possible. But we're so blessed to be able to work for ourselves, because when I used to work all the retail jobs that we've worked, I used to be like, I can't work for nobody. I'm gonna have to find a way to work for myself.
Anybody ever said that? I can't work for nobody. I cannot.
Yeah, I was gonna add to that, because I realized that I wanted to be my own boss a lot working retail. And I was just not good with the authority figures. I was like,
wow,
Kendra, like this is not for you. Because of course I'm good at being on time, like I'm punctual, but just the idea of somebody telling me what to do for like the next 20 years, I knew it wasn't for me. So I always thought us doing something, being our own bosses and just being in charge of, you know, our own future.